muscle are here present. So that means called as the temporal bone or are present here. Okay, then particularly sound vibration going to be the tympanic membrane, that is also called as the eardrum. आप eardrum भी बोल सकते हो. Okay, then malleus incus and that is the stapes. Stapes is the smallest bone, clear है, and here present muscle that is called as the smallest muscle, that is the called as the stapedial muscle. This muscle, it is the called as the smallest muscle, called as the smallest muscle and called as the smallest bone. Very important. Stapedial muscle and that is the stapes is the smallest bone. Then this is the cochlea. Cochlea, that means here sound. Okay, that means यही से sound अपने को क्या होगा, that is this सुनाई देगा अच्छे से. Okay, then cochlear nerve जो जाके अपने ब्रेन में मिलेंगी जहां पर हियरिंग मैकेनिज्म है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ऑडिटरी मैकेनिज्म. अपन जहां पर वो सुनते हैं, क्लियर है, इन ब्रेन, तो वो नर्व जाके वहां मिलेगी और अपने को दैट इज द सुनाई देगा. ओके, देन एस्टुशियन ट्यूब फॉर द बैलेंसिंग, क्लियर है, दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली दोनों साइड से एस्टुशियन ट्यूब्स होती है. ओके, और ये एक तरीके से बैलेंस में यानी कि थोड़ा एक तरीके से प्रेशर ज्यादा ना हो, प्रेशर कम रहे, प्रेशर मेंटेन रहे, उसका काम करती है, दैट इज द एस्टुशियन ट्यूब. और यहाँ पर बैलेंसिंग ऑर्गन के लिए यूट्रिकुलस है, सैक्युलस है, क्लियर है. तो इसके बारे में अपन जब मैकेनिज्म ऑफ हियरिंग और मैकेनिज्म ऑफ हियरिंग पढ़ेंगे तब इसमें सब कुछ डिस्कस होगा. ओके, नाउ also one more very important about the eardrum, that is the tympanum or a tympanic membrane, that is the tympanum. Tympanum means that is the eardrum. Okay, so here this is the structure, that means particularly diagrammatic view of ear. Also asking in draw available diagram of the ear in HSC board examination. Also some question asking about like the malleus incus and stapes, it is the ear ossicle part of the middle ear. तो दिस इज अबाउट दी पर्टिकुलरली, ये तो एक हो गया एक्सटर्नल ईयर, क्लियर है. देन पर्टिकुलरली मिडल ईयर एंड दैट इज द इंटरनल ईयर. तो दैट्स मीन्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर. ऑल द पार्ट अपन अभी एक एक इसमें डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे अपन एक्सटर्नल ईयर से. Now about the one by one discuss in detail like the some part of the ear. Now first about the external ear. Here external ear, that means particularly consist of, that is the first part, that is the external ear. Here one external ear में अपन start कर रहे first part, that is called as the pinna, called as the pinna. Pinna also called as the auricle, and pinna it is made up of auricle muscle. Okay, here pinna collect the sound vibration, very important. Pinna collect the sound vibration. एक तरीके से sound vibration है, उसका collections होता है pinna में. Okay, also that is the very important. Here auricle, some are the auricle muscles also here present and made up of elastic cartilage, also very important, made up of elastic cartilage, very important, made up of elastic cartilage. किससे बना है, तो that is the elastic cartilage से pinna. Okay, also in the human, that means particularly it is auricle है, तो also called as the, there are also some present, that is the auricle muscle made up of elastic cartilage. But here one more thing very important, but pinna is the vestigial organ in the human, very important. Pinna is the vestigial, that is the very important vestigial organ in human. Now collect the sound vibration, okay, no doubt, but they are the pinna is the vestigial organ in the, that is the human being. तो that is very important है, ये आप हमेशा ध्यान में रखिएगा, that is the vestigial organ. Okay, now about the vestigial organ in human, also called as the, sorry for that, बट ये आप ध्यान में रखिएगा, पीना इज द वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन इन ह्यूमन. Now next about the external auditory canal, also called as the meatus. It is 25 mm long, millimeter, that is the mm long. Here present hair, okay, here present, that is the hairs, canal lined by simple columnar epithelia, that is the tissue, and made up of fibroelastic cartilage, that is the fibro, okay, some fiber structure and some that is the elastic structure, that is called as the fibroelastic cartilage. Then also wax secreting gland is here present, that is called as the cerumen, okay, very important. And cerumen secrete ear wax, and ear wax help the particularly trap the dust particle and trap the microbes or a microorganism, okay, do not allow in the ear. Then also here present, that is the particularly sebaceous gland also present, that means particularly it is the modified wax secreting gland है एक तरीके से. Then particularly secretion वहाँ पर क्या होगा, इसका भी होगा, that is the oily secretion होगा, क्योंकि particularly ऑयल सिक्रेशन होगा तो ऑब्वियसली कि कुछ वहां पर आ नहीं सकता है, क्लियर है. और पर्टिकुलरली है दैट इज द ईयर वैक्स. ईयर वैक्स एक तरीके से क्या करेगा, पर्टिकुलरली एक तरीके से वो ट्रैप करेगा माइक्रोब्स एंड डस्ट पार्टिकल को. So here it is very important, that is the wax secreting gland, that is the ceruminous gland, okay, also cerumen, but they secrete ear wax, that is the cerumen. तो that is the very important. Cerumens means particularly वही जो अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि particularly trap the dust particle and microorganism, do not allow the particularly in the ear. Okay, now about the exactly middle ear, okay. Middle ear here, it is consist of that is the 3 ear ossicle are very important, okay. It is consist of 3 ear ossicle, that is very important. 3 ear ossicle, that means this is 3 ear ossicle, that is the sound amplification of sound waves. Sound waves वहाँ जाएंगे, clear है. तो there are 3 ear ossicle. One is that is called as the malleus, that is called as the malleus. Another that is called as the incus and stapes, clear है. There are 3 particularly ear ossicles present in the middle ear. Now one more thing very important, stapes is the smallest bone in the body, and also in the stapes there are present particularly that is the muscle, this muscle called as the stapedial muscle, and this muscle is the smallest muscle present in the body, okay. One more thing very important, this stapes attaches with the secondary tympanum membrane, okay, and particularly here that means particularly like this, इस तरीके का वो tympanum membrane है. यहाँ पर एक oval shape like oval shape और यहाँ पर एक round shape like structure are there present. This is called as the oval window, very important. This is called the round window, this is called as the round window. इसको called as the fenestra ovalis and fenestra rotundus, इसको कहा जाता है that is the fenestra, that is the fenestra ovalis and fenestra rotundus, that is the rotundus. तो दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली जो भी साउंड जाएगा एक तरीके से कैसा होता है, मैलस इज द हैमर शेप, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैलस का जो शेप होता है दैट इज द हैमर शेप स्ट्रक्चर, क्लियर है, दैट इज द हैमर शेप. ऑल्सो इंकस इज द एनविल शेप, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन पर्टिकुलरली स्टेपस इज द स्टायरप shape. Like this, here one more very important phenomena, that means particularly sound wave entering through the oval windows does not entering with the round windows, okay. That means यहाँ से ये जो that means particularly ये जो oval like structure दिख रहा है that is the oval window, यही से sound wave क्या होंगे, पास होंगे. But here स्टेपेस का स्ट्रक्चर लाइक दिस, अभी ये टिम्पैनम मेम्ब्रेन है, अपन कंसिडर कर लेते, दिस इज द टिम्पैनम मेम्ब्रेन, ओके. एंड पर्टिकुलरली ये टिम्पैनम मेम्ब्रेन पे समझ लो स्टायरअप शेप लाइक दिस, ओके, एक ऐसा फुट प्लेट है, क्लियर है, लाइक दिस ऐसा फुट प्लेट है, और यहाँ से ही दैट इज द सेकेंड पार्ट आ रहा है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है वो, और यहाँ से ऐसा सेकेंड पार्ट, ओके, और यहाँ पर कहीं तो भी दैट इज द टिम्पैनम मेम्ब्रेन है, क्लियर है। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द फुट प्लेट and this is stapes. Stapes attaches like this portion, okay, you know the malleus incus and malleus incus and stapes कैसे अटैचमेंट होते हैं। तो here that is the stapes, ये एक तरीके से फुट प्लेट है जहां पर stapes are there attached, okay, okay, then oval window को क्या कहा जाता है, that is the fenestra ovalis, वहां से विच दी एंटर दी पर्टिकुलरली एंटर दी साउंड हियर, यानी कि साउंड जो भी है, साउंड की वेव जो भी है वो इसके थ्रू एंटर होंगी, इसके थ्रू नहीं होंगी, दैट इज द राउंड विंडो के थ्रू नहीं होंगी, किसके थ्रू होंगी, दैट इज द ओवल विंडो। तो दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली वेव एंटर थ्रू दी ओवल विंडो। यहाँ पर एक आप हमेशा ध्यान में रखिएगा, I'll write here that is also very important, wave enter through the wave, sound wave, not only that, only wave, that is the sound wave enter through the oval window, very important, oval window. So this is about the particularly middle ear. Okay, now about the also one more part of the that is the middle ear, that is the ये secondary tympanic membrane का है जहाँ पर यहाँ attach रहेगा stapes. Okay, you know the about, but also I am draw here one diagram, तो that means ये एक तरीके से foot plate कहा जाता है, that is the secondary, इसको भी आप बोल सकते हो, that is the secondary tympanum, that is the secondary tympanum. Okay, primary, you know the about the primary where is present. Okay, also one more also middle ear का एक part आता है, that is the ischion tube. Okay, it is the elastic fibroelastic cartilage से बनी होती है वो, elastic cartilage are there present, elastic cartilage are there present, it connect with the particularly that is the nasopharynx, you know the about the nasopharynx. Usually ischion tube is closed, but you know the particularly something to you swallowing, okay, और आप कुछ खा रहे हो, that is the swallowing, और that is the yawing, clear है, तब वो open हो जाती है during the swallowing and particularly yawing के वक्त वो open हो जाती है, that is the ischion tube. Okay, it is also maintain the equilibrium to the outside. Okay, यानी कि outside से वो भी जो भी एक तरीके से वो आउटर साइड से वो एक तरीके से पर्टिकुलरली बॉडी को मेंटेन कर रही है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दैट इज द इक्विलिब्रियम. तो दिस इज अबाउट द मिडल ईयर. नाउ नेक्स्ट अबाउट द इंटरनल ईयर. ओके, दैट इज द इंटरनल ईयर. also internal ear also, that is the part of the ear, inner part of the ear. Okay, here also called as the internal ear, also called as the that is the membranous labyrinth भी कहा जाता है, also called as the membranous, that is membranous labyrinth, also called as the membranous labyrinth भी कहा जाता है इसको, internal ear को. One more very important about the labyrinth, it is consist of two part, that is the outer labyrinth and inner labyrinth. One is outer labyrinth and that is the inner labyrinth, and particularly that is the inner labyrinth, that is the outer labyrinth and inner labyrinth. Abhi here one more very important thing about, here some fluid are present. Okay, आउटर एक तरीके से आउटर बोनी लैब्रिंथ कहा जाता है इसको, दैट इज द आउटर बोनी लैब्रिंथ, इनर बोनी लैब्रिंथ. ओके, आउटर दैट इज द बोनी लैब्रिंथ कहा जाता है, क्लियर है, हमेशा ध्यान में रखिएगा. ये जो होती है दैट इज द आउटर, इट इज फिल्ड विथ perilymph. Perilymph, it is the fluid present there, okay, and particularly that is the inner labyrinth, it is filled with the endolymph, that is the filled with endolymph. These two lymphs, particularly lymph, it is the alkaline, that is the watery fluid, that is the lymph like watery fluid are there present. So that means outer side पे क्या present है, that is the perilymph are there present, inner side पे that is the endolymph are there present. Okay, now about the particularly next part of the internal ear, that is the vestibuli or a vestibular system. Here it is normally that means particularly vestibuli are there present, तो that means particularly some part of their hearing also. तो देखते हैं कि how many parts are there present. One is that is the in the inner membrane, that is the present. One is called as the three semicircular, that is the three semicircular canal are there present. Very important, three semicircular canal are there present. One is posterior anterior side से होंगी, एक posterior side से and एक lateral side से. Okay, also there are present along with the particularly three semicircular canal, that is the called as the utricle, that is the called as the utricle, also that is the saccule, okay, also called as the otolith organ, okay, and that is the cochlea, very important, that is the cochlea. But here they particularly like these three semicircular canal, utricles and saccule, they form the vestibular system, very important, they form the vestibular system, okay, and that is the primary function is the particularly equilibrium, that means particularly they maintain the body balance, that is called as the equilibrium, that is the body balancing, okay. So that means they form utricle, saccule and three semicircular canal, they form particularly vestibular system, and vestibular system that means particularly maintain the equilibrium of the body, or that is the body balance. And you know the about the particularly cochlea, it is particularly secondary function, that is the hearing, sound hearing, okay. So this is very important about the hearing. Now I will tell you about the particularly, you know this is the particularly vestibular system, okay. अपन ने बोला vestibular system किसको बोला, okay. I'll draw here one diagram, that is very important here, like this, समझ लो एक तरीके से here some structure are present like this. There are three semicircular canal are here present. How much? So that means particularly three semicircular canal are here present. There are saccules and utricles and particularly lead into the cochlea, that is the lead into the cochlea, this is the cochlea, okay. Habi here also very important, that means particularly like this wave, okay, it is the structure of particularly cochlea, okay, like this is one structure, this is one structure. So here one more thing that is very important, this is called as the three semicircular canal are there present, okay. Now very important about the, that is the called as the utricle, that is called as the utricle and saccule, very important, it is the part and together called as the otolith organ, you know the about the, मैंने already तुमको बता दिया है, okay. और यहाँ से एक elongated structures are there present, clear है, like this here, like this, these structures are here present. तो that means particularly ये जो पहला part होता है ये इसको ही पूरा attachment are there present, okay, there are attached and बाकी सब उसके साथ attach होते हैं, okay. अभी here you know the about the जो outer layer होती है that is called as the bony labyrinth, okay, and inner labyrinth, that is inner labyrinth, that means particularly internal layer तो एक membranous labyrinth है, clear है. तो 3 semi circular canal, that means right angle, so that means particularly right angle are there present, that is the 90 degree पे, clear है, आप देख ही सकते हो वहाँ पर. okay, also one more thing are here present, ये एक तरीके से that is called as the, यहाँ से आपका चालू हो जाएगा, that is the cochlea. cochlea is the हियरिंग मैकेनिज्म, दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली आपको आप जो भी करोगे वो सुनाई आएगा. और वहाँ पर तुम लोग जानते हो कॉक्लिया में इंटरनल पार्ट में दैट इज द बोनी लैब्रिंथ आर प्रेजेंट एंड मेम्ब्रेनस लैब्रिंथ आर देयर प्रेजेंट, दैट इज द फिल्ड विथ एंडोलिम्फ एंड पेरीलिम्फ. तो आपको कहाँ मिलेगा मेम्ब्रेनस लैब्रिंथ, इनसाइड में बोनी जो होती है आउटर मोस्ट लेयर होती है, क्लियर है, फिल्ड विथ पेरीलिम्फ एंड इनर दैट इज द फिल्ड विथ द endolymph. okay, so this is about the particularly some structure of the that is the equilibrium. so that means internal ear में hearing mechanism as well as that is the balancing mechanism, but primary function is the balancing or equilibrium and that is the secondary is the hearing. okay, now about the semicircular canal. semicircular canal देखा है अपन ने, clear है structure, but exactly सेमीसर्कुलर कैनाल लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलरली ऐसा उसका पार्ट होता है, वन पार्ट इज सोलन एंड वन पार्ट इज द पर्टिकुलरली टेपरिंग. ओके, हियर समथिंग प्रेजेंट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द सेमी, दैट इज द सेमी सर्कुलर फ्लूइड आर हियर प्रेजेंट, क्लियर है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द सेमी सर्कुलर फ्लूइड आर हियर प्रेजेंट एंड पर्टिकुलरली दिस इज द ampulla. this is a solan part called as the ampulla, called as the ampulla or a cristae ampullaris. okay, here that is very important, that means particularly इसको ampulla कहा जाता है, also called as the cristae ampullaris or a cristae. okay, one more thing important about the here, that means कि ये अपन ने एक सेमी सर्कुलर कैनाल लिया है. ओके, एंड के सेमी सर्कुलर कैनाल दैट मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली एक एंटेरियर से मिलेगा, एक पोस्टेरियर से मिलेगा एंड दैट इज आल्सो लैटरल साइड से मिलेगा. ओके, तो दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली इन दी हाउ मेनी एम्पुलास प्रेजेंट इन दी बोथ द ईयर, तो दैट इज दी 6, क्लियर है ना, दैट इज दी हियर 3 सेमी सर्कुलर कैनाल, here 3 semicircular canal. so that means asking question this type of question asking you in particularly that is the board examination as well as NEET examination. okay, now the about the some also that is the some hair cells and particularly that is the sensory nerve cells, okay, are there present in the particularly that is the gelatinous layer also. समझ लो कि एक तरीके से एम्पुला पर्टिकुलरली ये जो एम्पुला का स्ट्रक्चर है हियर, क्लियर है, एक तरीके से ये सोलन पार्ट है, दैट इज द सोलन पार्ट, सोलन एंड है एक तरीके से. ओके, ऑल्सो हियर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली एक तरीके से ये टैपरिंग एंड आर देयर प्रेजेंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द टैपरिंग एंड. ओके, ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग अबाउट द हियर दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली अभी इसमें अपने को सेंस यानी कि पर्टिकुलरली कैसे होता है कि कैसे पता चलेगा कि एक्चुअली लेयर्स आर देयर, तो दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली एक वहाँ पर ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर्स आर देयर प्रेजेंट, क्लियर है, इन दी पर्टिकुलरली ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है यहाँ पर कुछ तो भी प्रेजेंट होता है, क्लियर है, हियर दैट इज दी लेयर आर प्रेजेंट. ओके, यहाँ पर अपने यहाँ पर रहते हैं दैट इज दी सेल्स, दैट इज दी न्यूरॉन्स. ओके, न्यूरॉन्स का अटैचमेंट इस तरीके से रहेगा, क्लियर है. ऑल्सो हियर आर दैट इज दी न्यूरॉन्स, क्लियर है, ऑल्सो हियर दी दैट इज दी न्यूरॉन्स, क्लियर है. और ये आगे जाके एक ही दैट इज द एक्सॉन बनाएंगे, क्लियर है. एक्सॉन बनाने के बाद ये जो भी 8th क्रेनियल दैट इज दी 8th क्रेनियल नर्व्स होगा उसके साथ अटैच हो जाएंगे, उसको बनाएंगे, क्लियर है, उसके साथ अटैच हो जाएंगे. और ये जो इसके ऊपर में भी एक जिलेटिनियस लेयर्स आर देयर प्रेजेंट, और एक तरीके से ये क्या है दैट इज द सेंसरी न्यूरॉन, और एक तरीके से दैट इज द न्यूरॉन, क्लियर है. देन पर्टिकुलरली उसके ऊपर में यहाँ पर एक लेयर मिलती है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द जिलेटिनियस लेयर. ओके, एक जिलेटिनियस लेयर्स आर देयर प्रेजेंट एंड पर्टिकुलरली ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ये जिलेटिनियस लेयर के बाद, क्लियर है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द जिलेटिनियस लेयर हियर प्रेजेंट. ओके, एक लेयर होती है जिसको ओटोलिथ मेम्ब्रेन भी कहा जाता है। ओटोलिथ मेम्ब्रेन इट इज मेड अप ऑफ दैट इज द कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट। ओके, तो एक तरीके से क्या होगा, यहाँ पर सेंस आएगा और यही से वो जो जाके एक्सॉन को मिलेगा 8th क्रेनियल नर्व्स को, और वहीं से आगे में फंक्शनिंग होगा। ओके, नाउ अबाउट द एग्जैक्टली दैट इज द cochlea. Cochlea is the internal ear, that is the mechanism of hearing are also here present. That means particularly, that means scala vestibuli, scala media and scala tympani, it is the membrane or it is the gap present inside the particularly that is the part of cochlea. Okay, here perilymph, you know, the outer bony part, and that is the inner part of the cochlea. This is the particularly filled with perilymph, outer part that is the filled with the perilymph, and that is the gap called as the scala vestibuli. Also this membrane called as the Reissner membrane, and particularly the structure, that is the structure called as the helicotrema. Scala media, it is the particularly part of the that is the endolymph, that is the gap. Also perilymph के इसमें that is the basilar membrane are here present, that is the basement membrane or a basilar membrane are here present, which that means particularly sound wave enter through the particularly enter किसके थ्रू होंगी, that is the sound wave enter through the particularly that is the oval window, that is the fenestra ovalis. You know the about, I will told you about the fenestra ovalis. तो फिर यहाँ से साउंड जाएगा और पर्टिकुलरली यहाँ वेव बनेगा, क्लियर है, यानी कि वेव जाएंगे तो ऑब्वियसली वो जो लिक्विड होगा वो भी एक तरीके से फ्लोर होगा एंड फ्लो होगा मीन्स अप डाउन करेगा एंड पर्टिकुलरली अपने को सुनाई देगा। ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली यहाँ पर कुछ स्ट्रक्चर दिए गए, नाम दिए गए एग्जैक्टली, दैट इज द पेरिलिम्फ, तो दैट इज द स्कैला टिम्पैनी, क्लियर है। ऑल्सो दैट इज द स्काला वेस्टिबुलाई प्रेजेंट बिटवीन द पर्टिकुलरली पेरिलिम्फ, present in the particularly perilymph, clear है। तो this is the some structure about the cochlea, and cochlea it is responsible for the hearing. Okay, that means particularly in the particularly that is the your endolymph, that is the perilymph, and particularly present that is the cochlea, but also there are the present the that is the basement membrane or that is the basilar membrane. Okay, you know the about the particularly तो that is the basement membrane पे कुछ some hair cells are present. Okay, wave आएगी, they can be dislocate, एक तरीके से वो डिसलोकेट होंगे, इस तरीके से वो डिसलोकेट होंगे। डिसलोकेट होने के बाद पर्टिकुलरली वहां से एंटर एक तरीके से वो ऊपर में उनका डेंड्राइट रहेगा, नीचे में एक्सॉन रहेगा, और वो पर्टिकुलरली आएंगे ऑडिटरी नर्व को अटैच रहेंगे, क्लियर है। फिर ये भेजा जाएगा थैलामस, दैट इज द रिले सेंटर। थैलामस रिले सेंटर्स के बाद एनालाइज होने के बाद वो भेजा जाएगा दैट इज द टेम्पोरल लोब, that is the temporal lobe, that means particularly there are present auditory area and sound सुनाई आएगा। तो this is about the particularly एक mechanism। some one conditions भी होती है कि समझ लो some hair cells present in the particularly on the basilar membrane, तो that means particularly उनके inside में समझ लो कि in the age cell are these hair cells are degenerate, यानी कि एज के हिसाब से जो हेयर सेल्स हेयर होते हैं वो एक तरीके से डिजनरेट हो जाते हैं और कम सुनाई देता है, क्लियर है। तो एक्चुअली कम सुनाई देता है मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली सुनाई भी नहीं देता है, क्लियर है, कम सुनाई देता है। इसलिए वो क्यों सुनाई देता है, क्योंकि वहाँ के जो हेयर सेल है वो डिजनरेट हो जाते हैं। Okay, now about the particularly mechanism of hearing. Okay, sound vibration, that is the frequency is the 22 to 1000 hertz. Okay, then tympanum membrane first, that is the primary tympanum membrane is vibrate, then conduction by the ear ossicle. There are three ear ossicle, malleus, incus and stapes, okay, are there, and the conduction by the ear ossicles. Okay, vibration passes to the internal ear through the oval window, you know the fenestra ovalis, जहाँ से oval window है there, that means particularly sound wave enter through the particularly oval window. Basilar membrane are there present and basilar membrane are vibrate, very important। and वहाँ पर मैंने बोला था hair cell होते हैं, hair cell are dislocate, okay, hair cell dislocate हो गए तो that means particularly action potential or impulse are there generate, okay, then nerves impulse transmitted to by 80H cranial nerves to the auditory nerve. Okay, and थैलामस के पास भेजा जाएगा, दैट इज द रिले सेंटर. ओके, फिर उसके बाद दैट इज द टेम्परल लोब. टेम्परल लोब के बाद दैट इज द देयर आर लोकेटेड कॉल्ड एज द ऑडिटरी एरिया. और ऑडिटरी एरिया में यानी कि पर्टिकुलरली ऑडिटरी एरिया में दैट इज द हियरिंग, और अपने को सुनाई देगा. तो दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ हियरिंग. Okay, disorder of ear. Okay, that is the very important. Also that is the disorder, some disorder of ear. So disorder of ear, here one more thing very important about the disorder of ear. Some, that is the inflammation इन पर्टिकुलरली एज के हिसाब से, यानी कि पर्टिकुलरली कुछ ना कुछ, यानी कि एक तरीके से क्या होगा, तो पर्टिकुलरली यानी कि हियरिंग लॉस हो सकती है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट अबाउट द डिसऑर्डर ऑफ ईयर के बारे में, फर्स्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रेस बाय क्यूजिया. प्रेस बाय क्यूजिया. ओके, प्रेस बाय क्यूजिया, दैट मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली hearing loss with age. Very important, that is the hearing loss with age. यानी कि जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती जा रही है, क्लियर है, जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ेगी उस हिसाब से वो हियरिंग थोड़ा कम सुनाई देगा. तो दैट्स मीन्स एजेड पीपल में ये कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रेस बाय क्यूजिया. ओके, देन पर्टिकुलरली सेकेंड कॉल्ड एज द ओटाइटिस मीडिया. ओटाइटिस मीडिया, तो दैट्स मीन्स ओटाइटिस मीडिया. ओटाइटिस मीडिया मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली इन्फ्लामेशन in the middle ear. That is very important. Inflammation in the, that is the inflammation in the middle, that is the inflammation in the middle ear. So inflammation in the middle ear, that means some pox and particularly some there are painful condition present on the middle ear. So that means particularly called as the otitis media. Also पेनफुल, और एक तरीके से द इन्फ्लामेशन है, पेनफुल इन्फ्लामेशन होता है ये, तो इन द मिडल ईयर. थर्ड, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द पर्टिकुलरली अबाउट द टिम्पैनाइटाइटिस, दैट इज द टिम्पैनीटाइटिस. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द टिम्पैनीटाइटिस. दैट इज द थर्ड कॉल्ड एज द टिम्पैनाइटिस. ओके, इन्फ्लामेशन इन द, दैट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, inflammation in the tympanum. Inflammation in the tympanum. Okay, inflammation in the tympanum means particularly जो भी टिम्पैनिक मेम्ब्रेन है, क्लियर है, उस पे समझ लो कोई पॉक आया या पर्टिकुलरली इरिटेशंस वाला पार्ट, इरिटेट वाला पार्ट रहा, तो क्लियर है उसमें ये होगा, दैट इज द टिम्पैनाइटिस. ओके, तो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन आल्सो सम आर स्ट्रक्चर, दैट इज द कॉल्ड एज द ओटोरिया. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ओटोरिया. दैट इज द फोर्थ, दैट इज द ओटो, that is the otorrhea. That means particularly otorrhea, that means there are flowing blood. Okay, फ्लोइंग ब्लड बाहर जा सकता है, क्लियर. यानी कि आपने भी देखा होगा कि पर्टिकुलरली किसी ना किसी के कान से कभी ब्लड निकलता है. ऑल्सो पर्स, थोड़ा सा कुछ ना कुछ पर्स वगैरह निकलता है, क्लियर है. ऑल्सो सम फ्लूइड होता है, दैट इज द पर्स फ्लूइड भी बोल सकते हो या फ्लूइड. ओके, तो दैट्स मीन्स पर्स फ्लूइड और एक तरीके से बाहर निकलता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ओटोरिया. ओके, नेक्स्ट अबाउट द, दैट इज द मीनियर्स डिसीज. ओके, ड्यू टू फ्लूइड प्रेशर, यानी कि फ्लूइड प्रेशर बढ़ेगा, क्लियर है, यानी कि फ्लूइड प्रेशर बढ़ेगा या लो भी हो सकता है, क्लियर है. एंड पर्टिकुलरली दे जनरेट सेल्फ इम्पल्स. ओके, और पर्टिकुलरली ये किसके वजह से, तो दैट इज, और जनरेट होगा, दैट इज द सेल्फ इम्पल्स आर जनरेट एंड ड्यू टू दी, दैट इज द फ्लूइड प्रेशर, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द मीनियर डिसीज. तो सम डिसऑर्डर, दैट इज द सम ऑफ द डिसऑर्डर already we will यानी कि discuss about the particularly exactly what is the press by accusia, otitis media, tympanitis. Okay, टिन आवाज आता है, कभी कान में सुना होगा तो आप लोगों ने, ठीक है। ओटोरिया, दैट इज द ब्लड फ्लोइंग ऑफ ब्लड आउटसाइड द ईयर एंड पर्स फ्लूइड। मीनियर डिसीज, दैट इज द ड्यू टू fluid pressure. So these all the things about the particularly that is the disorder and particularly कैसे होते हैं वो भी मैंने आपको सब कुछ बता दिया है. Now next about the that is the neuroendocrine system or that is the hormonal system. Okay, अभी तक जो अपन ने पढ़ा that is part of the particularly that is the nervous system. Okay, that is the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomous nervous system. Okay, now today we will discuss about the hormonal system, very important topic. Okay, now that is the hormonal system, that is the called as the hormonal system. Hormonal system also called as the endocrine system. Also that means particularly hormonal system है तो that means particularly there are present glands and glands secrete the hormones. Okay, very important. In the glands some cells are there present and particularly these cells particularly secrete some hormone and this hormone very useful in our body. Okay, so now we will discuss about the hormonal system also called as the endocrine system. Okay, what is exactly endocrine? Endocrine, that means particularly it is the branch of biology study with glands and their hormone. It is called as the particularly endocrine system. Okay, now also he is the father of that is the endocrine. Okay, it is the hormonal system. Okay, also of हार्मोनल सिस्टम है तो किसके अंदर आ रहा है तो दैट इज द एंडोक्राइन इन नेचर और एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम के अंदर फर्स्ट अपना कौन सा था दैट इज द न्यूरल कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन. सेकंड इज दैट इज द केमिकल कोऑर्डिनेशन. अपन किसकी बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर तो दैट इज द आल्सो दैट इज द कॉल्ड एज द केमिकल, दैट इज द केमिकल coordination, that is the chemical coordination. Okay, हार्मोन इज द केमिकल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. केमिकल कोऑर्डिनेशन और मैं अभी यहाँ से आपको बोल सकता हूँ कि हार्मोनल सिस्टम है तो दैट्स मीन सम हार्मोन आर देयर सीक्रेट. ओके, इन पर्टिकुलरली सीक्रेट बाय द ग्लैंड्स. ओके, नाउ हार्मोनल सिस्टम है तो दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली ग्लैंड्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, दैट्स मीन्स दिस ग्लैंड्स सीक्रेट दी सम हार्मोन. तो दैट इज द ग्लैंड्स नेचर, that is the some glands are exocrine, endocrine and that is the heterocrine. Now we will discuss about the first, that is the exocrine. Exocrine in means particularly they form duct. Okay, they form duct. Also that is the second called as the endocrine. Endocrine means particularly they are the ductless and particularly that is the heterocrine, that is the heterocrine. Heterocrines means particularly you know the also called as the मिक्स ग्लैंड्स भी बोल सकते हो आप, दैट इज द मिक्स ग्लैंड्स. दैट्स मीन्स समटाइम नेचर इज द एक्सोक्राइन एंड समटाइम नेचर इज द एंडोक्राइन. तो दैट्स मीन्स बोथ पार्ट आर प्रेजेंट इन दैट इज द हेटेरोक्राइन इन नेचर. ओके, नाउ डक्ट फॉर्म हो रहा है इसके अंदर, दैट इज द आल्सो दैट इज द डक्ट फॉर्म इन द पर्टिकुलरली एक्सोक्राइन. Okay, and particularly endocrine it is the ductless, very important. Okay, and this is the mix, so as well as that is the exo and endo clear है, are very important here. तो दोनों तरीके से यहाँ पर दोनों ग्लैंड यानी कि दोनों ग्लैंड शो होते हैं, that is the endo and particularly exo. Now also very important, this endocrine gland also called as the holocrine. Okay, some also present, that is the apocrine जो surface पे secrete होते हैं, also called as the merocrine. Clear है? So many glands are present. Okay, you will study about the in the particularly 11th standard also. Okay, then exocrine and endocrine and heterocrine. Okay, then particularly this exocrine, endocrine and heterocrine secrete hormone. Okay, तो दैट इज द डक्ट फॉर्म, यानी कि डक्ट फॉर्म होगा तब सीक्रेट होगा. और एंडोक्राइन मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली डक्टलेस, डायरेक्ट हार्मोन सीक्रेट इनटू ब्लड स्ट्रीम. ओके, एंड नाउ दैट इज द हेटेरोक्राइन आल्सो, दैट इज द बोथ, यानी कि पर्टिकुलरली some in particularly exocrine hormone and there some are the particularly endocrine. Okay, now the characteristic. Okay, that is the characteristic of hormone, very important. Characteristic, that is the very important, that is the characteristics of hormone, very important. Hormone, First characteristic of that is the hormone, it is a very important. First characteristic, it is release in blood, very important, release in blood. अपन अभी बात करेंगे दैट इज द एंडोक्राइन, क्लियर है? फिर मैं आपको दोनों के बारे में भी बताऊंगा आपको क्या है, पर्टिकुलरली एक्सोक्राइन क्या है और हेट्रोक्राइन है. ओके, देन release in blood first, then also that is called as the chemical messenger, also called as the chemical messenger, very important. Also that means particularly ये तो एक chemical messenger है, तो obviously there are chemical messenger but non nutrient, there are some present अमीनो एसिड, ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स, क्लियर है, एंड ऑल्सो अमाइन इन नेचर में रहेंगे, क्लियर है, स्टेरॉइड इन नेचर, अमाइन इन नेचर, ऑल्सो स्टेरॉइड इन नेचर, क्लियर है, प्रोटीन इन नेचर. देन पर्टिकुलरली थर्ड इसमें अपन जा सकते हैं, दैट इज द थर्ड अबाउट द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द टारगेट ऑर्गन. ओके, टारगेट ऑर्गन इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Target organs means particularly hormone, ठीक है. One is general hormone, that is the particularly in our body, also that is the autocrine and that is the paracrine, यानी कि target organ होगा वही जाके उनका secrete होगा, and also that is the general hormone. तो this is about the particularly characteristic of यानी कि ये टारगेट ऑर्गन मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली सम ऑर्गन्स रहेंगे इन द बॉडी, वो क्या करेंगे, सीक्रेट करेंगे हार्मोन्स. ओके, तो ऑल्सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द विसरल ग्लैंड्स. ओके, दे सीक्रेट द हार्मोन. So now very important about the hormones. Okay, hormones are, that is the hormones are, one is that is called as the lipophilic in nature, that is the lipophilic in nature, and also that is the lipophobic in nature. That means lipophobic means particularly protein in nature. I will already told you about the. Then lipophilic means particularly they are the particularly lipid in nature. Okay, that means very important here. Lipophilic are very important, that means particularly metabolism. Okay, that is the union of anabolism and catabolism here. That is the lipid loving, that is the protein loving, or that is the receptor type. Okay, now one more very important about the hormones are released in blood, or that is the hormones, that is the hormones are chemical, that is the very important, hormones are chemical messenger produced by endocrine gland, that is very important, produced by endocrine gland, produced by endocrine glands, and produced by endocrine glands and release in blood. Release in blood, it is produced by and release in blood, releasing in blood and reaching in the that is the target organ, reaching in the target organ, reaching in the target organ. Okay, reaching in the target organ, depending on nature, they either stimulate, depending on nature, either stimulate or inhibit metabolism. So this is the fact. Okay, that means particularly hormones are chemical messenger produced by endocrine glands and released in blood, reaching in the target organ, depending on nature, either stimulate or inhibit, that is the metabolism. You know that is the union of, that is the anabolism and catabolism. Clear है, मैंने आपको यहाँ बताया था. Also one more very important terminology, that means father of endocrinology, very important, father of endocrinology. It is very important, that is the scientist name called as the Thomas Addison, that is the name of the father of endocrinology, that is the Thomas Addison. Okay, now about the difference between in glands. Okay, that is the glands. Okay, one is called as the, I will write here, that is the glands में. Okay, here that is called as the exocrine gland, and particularly about the endocrine gland. Okay, now what about the exactly endocrine, and that is the exocrine. Okay, exocrine and that is the endocrine. Here first point of that is the exocrine, those which have ducts. Okay, those, that means particularly those which have ducts. दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली यहाँ पर क्या प्रेजेंट है, तो डक्ट्स प्रेजेंट है, क्लियर है. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज एंडोक्राइन, यू नो दी अबाउट द एंडोक्राइन के बारे में आप जानते हो, दैट इज द डक्टलेस ग्लैंड है, क्लियर है, विदाउट डक्ट फॉर्मेशन. तो दैट्स मीन्स पर्टिकुलरली इसमें डक्ट फॉर्म नहीं हो रहा है, इसमें डक्ट फॉर्म हो रहा है. ओके, ऑल्सो सेकेंड पॉइंट, दैट्स मीन्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सीक्रेट exocrine gland, that is the secret enzymes. Okay, secret enzyme. And endocrine gland secret, that is the secret hormone. Okay, this is the big particularly यही एक तरीके से big characteristic है दोनों केस में. Okay, now particularly secret, okay, and particularly here enzyme secret in large quantities, very important, large quantities. Okay, now third here is hormone secret in small quantities, very important, small quantities. Okay, that is the small quantities here. Now this is about the hormone. Okay, now third very important about the exactly enzyme secreted duct directly into the target organ. Okay, fourth one is that is the enzyme are secreted duct, that means duct directly into the directly, that is the directly into the target organ, that means particularly जो भी यहाँ पर टारगेट ऑर्गन से वहां पर सीधा जा रहा है, बट in the endocrine in nature, that means hormone are secreted into the blood. First, very important, hormone secreted, that is the hormone secreted into the blood, first, very important. And blood which carry transport them to the target organ, which carry transport them to the target organ. Okay, now here example very important, here example are the, that is very important, example it is called as the salivary gland, that is the salivary gland. Okay, salivary glands. Also example of that is the gastric gland, also that is the gastric glands. Okay, and also one more, that is the example of the it is salivary glands and gastric glands, two are very important. Then here that is the hypothalamus, I'll write here, that is the example of endocrine, that is the hypothalamus, and that is the pituitary gland. Okay, this is the example of the endocrine and exocrine gland. Okay, now particularly about the hormonal system also, अपन ने exocrine और endocrine के इसमें particularly that is the difference between, or that is the distinguish between of the exocrine and endocrine वो देखा. Here first very important, hormone. Okay, that is the hormone, first time, or that is the first term of hormone, first term, that is very important, first term hormone proposed, that is the proposed by Starlin, that is the very important scientist Starlin. स्टारलिन ने फर्स्ट यानी कि प्रपोज किया हार्मोन वर्ड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, also his first discover first hormone, that is the very important, discover first hormone called as secretin, very important, that is the secretin हार्मोन डिस्कवर किया गया. एनिमल जो होता है, एनिमल के इसमें पैनक्रियाज के टिश्यूज में उनको वो दिखा, क्लियर है. और उन्होंने ऑल्सो इनके साथ एक और साइंटिस्ट थे, दैट इज द बेलीज, क्लियर है. स्टारलिन के साथ एक और साइंटिस्ट थे, दैट इज बेलीज. ओके, दैट इज द बेलीज साइंटिस्ट थे. इन्होंने जो भी डिस्कवरी किया है वो 1920 में किया है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इनका जो भी डिस्कवरी है दैट इज द 1920. ओके, ऑल्सो दैट इज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर बाय द, दैट इज द स्टारलिन एंड बेलीज. स्टारलिन और बेलीज के ने मिलके दैट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म प्रपोज किया, दैट इज द हार्मोन. एनिमल के दैट इज द पैनक्रियाज से वो डिस्कवर किया गया. डिस्कवर फर्स्ट हार्मोन कॉल्ड एज द सिक्रेटिन. ओके, तो दिस इज अबाउट द समथिंग अबाउट द हार्मोन्स. Okay, now difference between in the enzymes and hormone, very important. Okay, that is the difference between, that is the enzyme and hormone, that is the enzyme and hormone. Okay, that is the first about the enzyme. enzyme के बारे में अपने को ध्यान में रखना है यहाँ पर कि particularly secreted by exocrine gland, very important, that is the secreted by exocrine gland, very important. Second hormone secreted by, that is the secreted by endocrine gland. You know the about the endocrine and what is the exactly exocrine. Second point are very important. Okay, this is the biocatalyst. Okay, it is the enzyme are biocatalyst, very important, biocatalyst. And second, it is the hormone is the chemical messenger, you know the about chemical messenger. Okay, I will told you already about this terminologies. Third, it is biocatalyst के along these enzymes help in metabolism, very important. Then fourth, this is very important, help in homeostasis, that is the hemostasis, very important, that is the hemostasis, means particularly balancing level present in our blood and body का temperature, clear है. So that is the hemostasis in blood में. Okay, then fourth, आप इसको अच्छे से ध्यान में रखिएगा थोड़ा, क्लियर है, that is the very important homeostasis. Okay, sorry, homeostasis. Okay, very important. Then help in metabolism. Okay, that means particularly secreted by ducts in target organ, secreted by ducts in target organ. Okay, fourth, sorry, this is 3 number. Then also that is the 4th number. Okay, secreted in blood, very important, secreted in blood, which carry, clear है, which carry into the target organ, which carry into the target organ, Now that is the hemostasis. Okay, that means particularly एक तरीके से अपन यहाँ लिख देते, that is the help in hemostasis. Okay, that is the hemostasis. Okay, now here some example of, that is the pancreatic juice. you know the about the pancreatic juice, also that is the saliva, gastric juice, saliva and gastric juice. Okay, here are very important, that is the some example of hormone. Example that is called as the thyroxine, secreted by thyroid gland, and growth hormone secreted by the particularly growth hormone that is the growth hormone secreted by the pituitary gland. Okay, so now this is particularly about the some hormones and some enzymes. they secreted by exocrine gland, secreted by endocrine gland. यहाँ थोड़ा difficult हो सकता है. Homostasis means particularly balance. Okay, एक तरीके से. Then secreted in blood and secreted in the, that is the target organ, secreted by duct in the target organ. So this is about the particularly enzyme, difference between enzyme and hormone. Okay, now some endocrine glands in human body. Okay, and particularly this endocrine gland secretes some hormone. Okay, also very important about the I told you first is about the that is the called as the endocrine glands, that is the endocrine glands of human body. Very important, endocrine glands of human body. Today I will give you the all the detail about the which endocrine gland, which type of hormone is secret. Okay, also endocrine glands of human body and particularly secrete hormones. Okay, particularly secrete the hormones. Now first about the first gland called as the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is the neuroendocrine gland. Okay, because there are present particularly neurosecretory cell, and this cell secretes some hormone. That means particularly